Yeah.
Just remove that gator and put it on the flatbed of the gator or on the side step and let the camera just go right there.
Nah, I'd rather hold it.
Okay. Don't fucking freeze my foot. Go at an angle like that or something.
Hit it.
All you did was break the fucking plastic.
Here, do it again.
What?
Hold it. Try it.
Oh, we got it.
Oh. Fuck yeah, science. Look, it broke it right there.
It would have been better with the sledgehammer than. But what a fuck the whole pipe. You froze the side of my shoe. Is it still frozen?
Yeah, hold it. Feel it.
I wonder if we can break it. Okay, I'll just have to move this. Oh god, that's cold.